probably gonna fill up the box.
One year, maybe.
Oh, dude, nice GoPro.
Make sure you get on that GoPro video.
Good take.
Hi. Did we score?
Yeah, we scored.
Yeah, that's a plus. That's a plus right there.
Watch from the bench. High box. High box. One.
Score? Yeah, we scored again.
Way to be a plus player.
That's right. I got it.
Yep.
We got you, Nate. You can go back and do what you do. Score goals.
Come on, Matt. Use your feet. Go to the goal. Big fan. Little Maryland action? Yeah, absolutely. Pass.
The pass.
Davis.
Good pickup, Nate. I was trying to put my elbow in his fucking stick so bad.
You faced off against these guys before, right?
Yeah. I'm playing with them at Ward Detroit.
Okay. And your brother played with them during the spring,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, we're filling in when they go 7 o'clock games and all that shit.
Alright.
Let's just put the ball in the net and then get fancy. Let's just try that.
He had a good look there.
I had a good look, but if you would have overhand, it would have been right in the corner.
We'll take another half second.
I mean, get the big lead, then go fans.
Nice take.
See, now we can go fancy. We got 3-goal lead. We can go fancy.
Good luck, guys. Good luck.
Might need a cigarette at halftime. Getting pretty tired out here. 1 run. It's about time. First one. I know. It's been like 3 games. Well, half a game for you, but
Yeah.
quarter.
What do you run? Full midi or you run deep? I'm close, but I'll run.
Yeah,
Where you
this
guys
rest
need
will
me.
fucking
How
suck.
your legs matter. My legs are fine. I can
I'm
run
standing
deep
with
with
it.
it, right? Take some runs in there. I'll switch out and face Steve. Go, Tim.
Stay on it.
On your back, on your back, on your back. Top, midfield.
Let's see you attack. Funnel him down. You're right.
Eat him up, Tim. You got 1 on the box, 1 from the box, 1 from the box.
Ball's out. Go throw, go across, go across. 1 on.
Run with it.
Settle
run
in,
with it.
settle in.
Yeah, one.
Here, ball. Ball. Up top. Great feed. Oh, you!
Dude, that's fucking Asharif. That sounds like him. How's he have that ball? Oh my god. He's not deep in the spot, right?
No.
I thought he was.
D2 post.
D2? Okay.
Place for post up in Connecticut. Match! Let's go!
2K! Oh! 2K shit! 2K shit! He yelled it right there. Oh no! Can I wipe out?
You guys wiped out, sir.
Wiped out. You want to stay down?
Face off. Next time, just make him feel it. You're gonna get one. Just make him just ran up his arm and hit him in the head. Oh god, we're in trouble.
Should have kept his arm down.
I know, right?
It's
No, it's
yeah, you really
made that
played that
face.
one.
It's my fault.
You really misplayed that one. Come on.
Back
Rub
in
your
my
crystal
day,
ball
when
next
you guys
time.
on the top two.
You used to be able to, and you said everyone would stay. Not anymore, though.
Get back on D. Come on, come on, come on.
Dude, I love that kid. He's hilarious. Yeah. Good rip.
Good chase, White.
Yeah, boys.
Zach, you ready to pop?
Y'all won, y'all won.
Yeah, we got the ball.
Nah, he's staying back. We gotta finish that, boys. You want to go back on? Yeah.
Chad, come. Chad, come.
All right, T.
Who's in?
Oh my God, that was gross. Yo, Chris, you want to take this run? Up to you, man. Someone call him. Should have had one. He's coming. Should have had one. Fucking A.
Yeah. I know. I thought he was moving. It's alright, I had a shot. I got open. I caused the goal. Run with it, run with them.
Go, keep it outside. Lower.
There we go.
All right, Chris. Ball, Grant, backside.
2K.
One coming in. Chris, back door. Back door.
Nice pass.
On you.
Sir!
Oh, there's not still that grace period of a couple years?
Take off, take off.
Graduated.
All those kids in between me and him learned that.
Oh, good look, good take.
Possession shot. Ball was.
I haven't seen anything at anybody except for 36. Or the black kid, right? 36?
That's what he used to be good on one, right?
I mean, he obviously wants ice in
He
it,
wants
so
to. He wants to go.
we need to
but, like,
slough in on him.
Yeah, yeah.
No, all you gotta do is beat him. Just gotta beat him up. He'll quit on you. Just gotta beat him
That's
up.
not the black kid that ran with.
That's the kid with the black helmet right there.
He's a kid that ran with him last year that complained
Did he
about.
play indoor?
He's still playing.
No, he didn't play him.
This chick better turn around.
Yeah, it's kind of stupid to sit right there, but.
You can only hold that excuse so long, buddy.
Wait, what is that?
Defense.
That's it, sloughing.
Get out of the way, because I'm taking
In college, you only shot like 4 times. Yeah, but you scored 2 of those 4, so. Drop.
Chad, just
No,
come!
I'm ready.
Chad, just come! Go.
I got you, Chicks. I'm going now.
Good stop, he's mine. Behind.
All right, keep.
All you.
One on,
All you. Take
Run
it.
it, Tim.
Oh,
Stay in. Drop low.
That was my fault.
Nice.
good check.
When I went to jump my
Look up.
I just gotta phone to be careful. Yeah, that's alright, man. We'll get it next time, man.
Chuck it.
All right, drop. Here, I got it.
Get set.
Bastard. That pass was right there on him, too.
Okay.
I just can't stand it.
What's the score? That was going to be beautiful. That stick came out of nowhere. Let's go, Faith. Let's go, Cam.
What do you see? One on your back.
You gotta help him out.
Get there. Come.
We got a 5.
Can't try?
Yeah.
Someone wants to come, I'll go.
Cam.
Double.
Come on, our face. Yeah, lay on him. Yeah!
Pick it up and hold it. Ball.
One on. Good look.
Easy money. Still got it.
I'm hot. We're on 2. I'm out.
Start running.
Yeah! Let's go, T. Come on.
One on.
Come on, T. Oh, it's a, sorry, come on. We gotta get one now.
We'll get the ball at least. Count. 1, 2, 3,
I think we're even, right?
4.
I think Grant's coming over.
Come back.
It's so close. This line over here, like every field has one line that's way close. Like that one over there has it too.
I feel like the box is small.
Got behind too.
Like 5 or 10 yards.
Yeah, boys. Good face-off win. Oh yeah.
Good take.
Shot. All right, boys. Chad, take up top, man. Take ISO, 1-4-1. Chad, you got a shorty. You got a shooter. Yeah, this ain't indoor, bro.
Hey, one coming.
Is that pretty clear?
I know, I think it's going to hit the goalie still. Easy, easy, don't throw that.
The goalie has 10 possession.
No, I think we're up 2. No, up 1. Or up 1.
No, we're up 2.
We're gonna call that. No, oh my god, he gets so lit.
Wait, what's 6'5", isn't it?
You're gonna get another one.
Isn't it 6'5"?
Sir, what's the score?
6'5" us.
6-5. Drop. Come on. Body him. Body this kid. Just body him. Oh, how did
Nice shot.
How did he
On you.
get knocked over? Oh yeah, Shakes. That was bad. All right, Shakes. Oh, 2K.
Ow. Ooh, ow.
Hey, cross straight. Cross straight.
I got one coming. Go.
We're good, we're good.
No. Okay.
I just don't want him to slow down. 4 on 3. I don't want you to slide.
Shaky, take the wing.
We're going to be a plus play.
Ready. I was ready.
Okay.
You don't know.
You're there for the rebound.
Yeah.
Good take.
You got up, right? I can take it.
Yeah, you just stepped on off. Take it away.
We usually don't take that take.
I was hoping it wasn't sliding.
Well, we need some middies.
Yeah.
We have a lot of
Nice
time.
face, Cam. Nice face. Got one ready.
Yeah, he slid away.
You got two ready.
Two
Two ready.
shorty.
He slid it.
I'm gonna try.
Al, you got Bob. Go, Matt. Oh!
You got it all time ready?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Here it comes.
Sideline, get ready.
Hey, here, go.
Go ahead, Tim.
I like that for school. Nice hustle start.
Good job, Tom.
Maggie's going.
Watch your back, Bolger. Man up top, Bolger.
Yeah, good push. That's our ball. Come on. Oh my God.
That's goalie. That's goalie.
Just give it to us. Here we go. Just give it to us. Come on.
It's closest to where the ball goes out. Here we go, Nate.
Closest to the ball, not closest to the line.
Is he playing attack or midfield?
Matt!
His hands, don't give him room. Sit up. Go, Matt, up.
One on. Again.
Circle on me.
Sorry.
Coming back right.
I wish.
Here.
Watch your man on.
You come in. Out of way, boy. That was a good long possession. Are you up by 1 or 2? 2 now? Yeah. Alright.
We'll take that long possession. No way.
Turn and go. What do you say? One on.
That's from behind, too. It's all you, 20.
One on.
He's gonna get it. He's got it. No, keep that. We want to keep that matchup. We don't want that shot.
Yeah, we got some.
Jakey.
It's like his name Grant.
Yeah. They're switching off now. Out of way, Shakes. LSM. Oh yeah, that's a goal.
Yeah, Bulger.
Guys.
Heads up play, guys. There you go.
Yeah, it's a +1 for you there. There we go.
Nice kick.
Standing in.
Holy shit,
Standing
what a
in.
check there. Great check.
On yourself.
Oh, that hurt. He hit me in the fucking head.
It's a good take for the take.
Sounds like a youth problem.
What? This kid's in trouble. He's getting chased down. I thought I was going to get lit up when I picked that up. That's a lower division. Oh, on the other field. Alright, what is it now? 85?
Charge your man's up top.
Some take body.
It's behind. One on.
Go to him. It's going in. That's a shot. Drop it.
Good stick.
Oh, that's you, Grant. Get it. Just shoot. Yeah.
Good ride, boys.
Nice ride. All right, boys, let's put it away. Chad. Yeah.
Worked out.
It did work out.
Chad, take offense.
I look down and there's nobody there. And I'm surrounded by like 7 guys.
We need someone to come to this sideline for you.
I was like, well, fuck me, right?
He moved. They both moved.
Hey, coming in. You hugged the ref. I know. Dude, I poked it in from my stomach.
Dude, Jason, D him up.
That's outside net.
Jay. Come on, Jay. Jason, you gotta stay on his hands, bro.
That was fucking lit.
Yeah, but he's not moving.
No.
All you gotta do is hit him. Can't move. He can't shoot if his hands aren't free. Good run.
Come on, Cam.
You got it. What?
Where?
You wanna keep him close, huh? Someone go. Oh my.
It's out.
That's sick.
One on. Room and time.
Up! Wheels.
You can go, Ref.
Coming in box, Christian. Coming in your right, Christian, number 4.
Grant. Yeah, we're good.
We're good.
Bravo.
Ball, get ready.
Good job, Cam.
Go.
Oh, we're clearing, right? Yeah. More fat around his head. Yeah, I like it.
I think Rat just went on for a minute.
Yeah, plus his helmet like doesn't
No,
really
no,
fit
no,
him
you're
either.
good, you're good.
He wears a CPXR.
No, 4.
I probably got his eye. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm pretty sure it's the plastic ear.
Yeah, I mean, that's
You couldn't wear like what helmet could you wear anymore? It was like the
Oh,
Pro
they
7 or the
no,
CPXR?
Chicky, you're
They
good.
did that
Chicky, you're
to all.
good.
They got rid of him. I don't know which one it was. Cut your face.
Oh, me? Oh,
Yeah.
I had to get the
Rydell.
You can wear the Rydell
Space
helmet.
Ship helmet thing. The
Yeah.
thing is so heavy. It cut me right in the eye.
What the?
The CPXR got hit right in the helmet and the back strap broke off, and then a piece up here came down and cut my eye.
Put the body on him.
14 stitches and stuff.
Yeah.
Team, man.
Good dodge, good cut, good feed.
You got it? Yeah.
Good feed, boys. That away.
Yeah, let's keep it 4. Go, boys.
Come on, Stark. Watch your back. Watch your back. You're good. You're good. You got Chicky on the right side.
Go, boys.
I got your back. I got your back. Up.
Pass.
Hey, Jakey. Middle's open.
There we go. Early slide. Oh.
Oh! Good cut, good feed, good finish.
That was a nice goal.
Alright.
Finish that.
That man can shoot.
No, you didn't see yourself shoot that man? On this side?
You know it.
I'm just here to clear.
Good run.
Just here to clear, guys.
Legs.
You can play?
I'm getting some work.
Play shorty?
Dude, it's my dream. I'm working on it. I'm gonna ask Amber if you're play. Not really though.
Come on, Pat.
You don't see that. I would laugh. Yeah, I would laugh if you missed that.
There you go,
Oh,
Stark.
yeah.
Right here, right here, right here, right here.
There you go. Keep on him. Keep on him. There you go, Alec.
Not to him.
Go.
We got
Go,
we
go.
got pull. We got pull.
Go, go.
Benny,
Go,
go.
go.
Hit him. Oh.
Guys,
I feel bad
he's
for
not
him.
that big.
I feel bad for him.
That's a ward.
Oh,
He
yeah.
deserved it. He deserved it.
All right, I'm going.
Ball's out.
Call timeout. They called timeout. Nobody. There you go. Man down.
We got a man down out there.
Yeah, but he extended it. We're going 5 poles. Let him in the nuts. We're going 5 poles.
We got one more real quick.
Chad, lock off. Chad, lock him off.
Oh, yeah, it was. Oh, shit.
chase.
Yeah, 34. The one who was cheering after you laid out Scarponi.
Who was that?
It's not even like you laid him out. You just
You just ran
didn't
in. You
really.
ran into him, bounced off.
and then
Yeah.
yeah.
He's getting awfully excited.
I got it. Come on. One on.
1 minute back. 1 minute back.
Jack. Jack. Jack.
Who's blocked?
Me too.
Yo, who's got coming on? Yeah, come on. Christian. Yeah, there you go. Next. Go Jason! Go Jason!
Gosh. That's a good idea.
Keep going.
Shot.
Come on, start.
Not doing anything crazy. Dad.
Fucking
I'm
top
going
10.
home.
Top 10 goals too.
You fucking bullshit chances. Alright, I'm out.
Ball's out.
Back to Chase.
Yeah!
That was like perfect.
Let's go, Chase.
He hit him.
3 on.
Stick with him.
What do you see? What do you see?
Bills. That was literally his time to score. What? That was his time to score.
Yeah.
He couldn't miss that close.
Yeah.
That's a shot. He ripped that. That was at least 90 miles per hour. Even he's not that accurate. Only one foot from the goal. He's just a D-mid. Give him a break.
Got a ball. Ball. Yeah.
Jake, I lost it though.
Kind of funny now.
Dude, no, man, no. You can't do that to me. That ain't right.
Push it to the side. Push it to the side.
I thought he was a righty, so I let him go left. Oh no. There you go,
Nice stop.
Big
Keith,
save!
look up. Look up. To the box.
Look up to the box!
No.
Chris, box!
One on.
Got one
One on.
One on right.
We got one coming.
Go ahead.
Alright, Alex. Alex, just take for it. Dude, that's 2 strikes. You're out.
Oh, we got one more.
Baseball.
Good run.
Your plus minus is ridiculous. You're like plus 8 at least. Oh, this kid's brutal. You're better with the face off. Fucking top.
Nice green.
Shoot back.
Yeah, shoot. Pick it up, pick it up. Lift. Holy shit, what a
Nice
save.
save.
Alright, yo guys, we're gonna score right here.
Come on, Tim. Come on, Tim.
We got one. I'm sorry. I told you guys. I told you.
There you go. I said it. You motherfucker.
You motherfucker.
We got 10 seasons.
Yeah. Told you I'm playing fucking default.
We take a captain team. How do you lose this team?
Why are the fast kids not? Why are they not playing music?
That was a cop on tack to shorten the field. That works.